What's up, guys? Welcome to Krakow, Poland. This is my third day here, but the first day I was here, I got in the early afternoon, so I didn't film anything. And yesterday, I took a tour to Auschwitz, and I didn't film anything while I was there, and I didn't film anything when I came back to Krakow yesterday. So today is my third and final day here in Krakow. So I plan on going to the old town and seeing St. Mary's Basilica, among some other churches as well that are in the area. I also want to show you this place I got here. I have this place for 3 nights, and it's massive. So here's the front door, a lot of storage space. Walk in here, like a living area, kitchen, bed here. Then up these stairs is another bed up there, TV, windows, and then here is probably the biggest bathroom I've ever had staying in another country. So yeah, really nice place. This place for 3 nights was 1,026 Polish zloty, which is around $260 US for 3 nights. So that is less than $100 a night for this place. So that is a fantastic deal. And Poland it's not the cheapest country, but it is probably one of the most affordable countries for sure, especially compared to its neighbors like Germany, Austria, and the Czech Republic. But anyway, let's get out to the old town and let's go explore around Krakow. Alright, I'm walking to the old town now. Said St. Mary's Basilica is about a 13-minute walk away from where I'm staying at. There's Sweden's flag up there, and I see Poland's flag. There's France's flag ahead of us. So that is St. Mary's Cathedral, or Basilica. Here is a Christmas market. Christmas market continues outside.
Jego dziadek właśnie był tą osobą, która jego pierwsza po wojnie właśnie w tym stroju strażackim chodziła od domu.
So that is St. Mary's Basilica, the church I was just in. and that is without a doubt the most beautiful church I have ever seen. And I've been to a lot of churches in a lot of different countries, but nothing compares to that one. So this is a really nice old town, and that Christmas market was really awesome, and the food's amazing. I've had way too much food, but it was all really good. So I just left the old town. I'm just walking around Krakow right now. But one of the things I wanted to say about Krakow was that most of it is original. And the reason for that is because during World War II, the Nazis occupied Krakow, and so it was spared from a lot of the bombing. So that's why you'll see places like Warsaw were completely leveled, and they had to be completely rebuilt, but that's not the case here in Krakow. Alright guys, I am editing the video now from Krakow, and I think I'm going to end the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I know I've had a fun last 5 days here in Poland, going from Warsaw here to Krakow. It's been a lot of fun. I've did a lot of cool stuff. I've seen a lot of stuff. But hopefully you guys like this video, and the next videos will be out soon from the next country, which will be Slovakia.